Yay, we made it to the end of the week. Look at Miss Beery put Friday with 3 exclamation points because I'm really excited it's Friday, okay? Our question has been, what is fun about exploring new places? So we've been talking about exploring new places all week long, okay? And we're going to reread the story in the pit, and we're going to do 2 pages today for some letter practice, 136 and 154. Okay, so we're going to look at that story one more time, and we're going to use our highlighter to find some details, and then you will be done with your lesson today, okay? So let's look at the story, In the Pit. And I want to make sure you're reading along with Miss Beery, using your pointing finger, your magic reading finger, to point to each of those words. I make a pit. We can sit in my pit. Okay, so that was pretty fast, right? Let's read it one more time. I make a pit. We can sit in my pit. And what I want you to do is I want you to take your highlighter and I want you to find all the I's. So remember, we're going to look for all the I's. So you go straight down and a dot. And then we're just going to look for the short I's, the ones in the middle of a sentence, okay? So I do see an I here, but we're going to look for them in the middle of a word, not a sentence, okay? It's Friday. Miss Beery's mixing up her words already. I make a pit. So where is an I? Is it in make? No. How about pit? Yes, it is. So go ahead and highlight the I in the word pit. P-it, pit. We, is there any I's? No. Can, any I's? No. How about sit? It. There is. There's an I in the middle of the word. Okay. In does have an I, but we're going to look for that. In, well, in, I-N, in. Yep, it does have the it sound. Okay. My pit. P-it. Very good. So highlight that I in the middle of P-it. Very good, boys and girls. Go ahead and turn your page. Now let's read these last 2 pages all together. Tim can tip a pan. I can tap a pan. It is a pin. Okay, so now we're going to find the words with an N sound, the N sound, okay? So we found the middle I sound, the short I, and now we're going to look for the N sound, the N, okay? So let's see. Tim can, there we go. So we're going to highlight the whole word actually instead of underlining it. Tip, is there an N? Nope. A? Nope. Pan. P-a-n. There's an N. Go ahead and highlight it. I can, there's an N. Highlight it. Tap a pan. There's another N. Okay, last page. It is a pin. P-it. There's an N. Go ahead and highlight it. Okay, you can go back and read that story one more time if you'd like. It's great to reread and practice. And Miss Beery is going to turn to the letter pages to start working on that. But if you'd like to pause the video, you are more than welcome to look at that story again. And then we can have you practice it more at home, okay? Now I'm going to go to my end page here and my last vocabulary page here. These are our last 2 pages this week in our Unit 1, Week 4. So we're going to read the words and then we're going to write the words, okay? So let's tap it out. What does P say? P. What does I say? It. What does N say? Ready? P, it, pin. So go ahead and take your pencil and I want you to write P, trace it I, N. Okay? And I want you to write it again for me. P, I, N. So right underneath it. One more time. P, I, N. Pin. Wonderful. If you'd like to go back over it with a crayon, you can do that, okay? If you need to erase something because it doesn't look quite right, you can do that too, okay? Take your time, make sure you have all lowercase letters, and the P goes all the way down to the worm line, but the I and the N, they're in between the plain line and the grass line. Okay, next we have, what does N say? What does A say? Ah. What does P say? Ah, nah. Go ahead and trace the N, trace the A, trace the P, and you are going to write nap. Okay, write it again. N, N-A-P. One more time. N-A-P. Okay? Remember, if you need to write slowly. Take your time. It does not need to be a race. You can stop the video and pause it so that that way you can finish it. You don't need to write as fast as Miss Beery, okay? Next one. What does C say? K. What does A say? A. What does N say? N. K, A, N. Can. Okay, go ahead and trace the C, trace the A, and trace the N. Okay? C, A, N, can. C, A, N, can. Fabulous. Okay, last one. What does M say? What does A say? A. What does N say? A, man. Okay, we have a picture of a man. Trace the M, trace the A, and trace the N. Okay, we're going to write it again. M-A-N, man. M-A-N, man. Fabulous. Remember, you can go back over the crayon for more practice. The more you practice, the better you will get, okay? Our last page over here, we have some words: slips, follows, chases, and scrambles, okay? But our question is, Twister starts blank a butterfly. So what did Twister do to go into the woods? What was he doing? Did Twister start slips on a butterfly? Did Twister starts follows a butterfly? Twister starts chasing a butterfly? Or Twister starts scrambles a butterfly? He chased it, right? So you're going to circle the word chasing. And then I want to see if you can write the word chasing in on those lines. So it's a big word. C-H-A-S-I-N-G. And the word's right above it, so that way you can look at the word to copy it down here. Okay? Twister starts chasing a butterfly. Okay, that was all that we have for today, for Friday. I will see you on Monday for some more language arts. I hope you have a fabulous weekend, and I will actually see you later this afternoon for some more math. So, have a great day. Bye, friends.